In the deep blue waters off the coast of Spain's Balearic Islands, a team of divers found themselves face-to-face with a 40-foot humpback whale in desperate need of help. As they worked tirelessly to free the whale from a drifting net, they had no idea that their courageous rescue mission would take an unexpected turn. Watch as the diver realizes that she is in big trouble and finds out what happens next in this extraordinary tale of human determination and the incredible bond between humans and animals. The initial rescue attempt. A group of divers recently rescued a 40-foot humpback whale that was caught in a fishing net near Majorca, Spain's Balearic Islands. The sighting of a humpback whale in this area was unusual, attracting significant attention. The distressed whale was unable to free itself from the drifting net, and initial rescue attempts by the Palma de Mallorca aquarium were unsuccessful, leaving the whale weakened. Urgent action was necessary to save its life, and if the initial rescue team from the aquarium couldn't succeed, they had to report the critical situation and request assistance from Mallorca. Fortunately, the dive center and the Squallow Dive Center responded promptly to the distress call. The prompt response from dive centers. Divers from both centers joined forces about 3 miles from the shoreline after assessing the situation. They concluded that professional divers equipped with knives were needed to manually cut the nets off the whale. Drift nets have long been banned by the United Nations due to their detrimental impact on marine life. These large nets are designed to catch large quantities of fish and aquatic creatures indiscriminately, causing ecological disruption and significant waste when non-targeted animals are discarded. Sadly, some fishermen still engage in illegal trolling practices. In this case, a dangerous red net had tightly ensnared the whale, impairing its movement and causing its health to deteriorate rapidly, working against time and illegal fishing practices. 4 divers entered the water swiftly, aware that time was of the essence. They had to work efficiently and cautiously, considering the unpredictable behavior of a distressed wild animal. The success of the rescue operation relied on 2 possible outcomes, but the dedicated experts were determined to alleviate the whale's suffering to the best of their abilities. Gigi Torres, a 32-year-old marine biologist and owner of the Albatross Dive Center in Spain, possessed extensive research experience in marine life. Despite her knowledge, she recognized that encounters like these were exceptionally unique and special, evoking wonder and appreciation. The initial moments of the rescue were tense as the divers approached the distressed whale underwater. The whale seemed slightly unsettled by the divers' presence and the air bubbles emitted from their movements, but the divers remained composed and coordinated, determined to provide assistance and comfort. Starting with the whale's head, they meticulously cut the net, freeing its mouth first and then progressing along its body. The rescue operation unfolded with remarkable coordination, as if the divers intuitively understood their roles and the most effective strategies to save the humpback whale. They encircled the whale, cutting the net from various angles to prevent further entanglement or unnecessary strain. Carefully wielding their knives, they avoided causing additional pain or distress to the whale.